Hello class, today we'll be looking at how to draft our basic trouser block. It's very simple. All you need to do is to divide your paper into two. When you divide it into two, this is the midway, which I made is 0. I have my 0 here. So your 0 to 1 is your crotch length, which is also known as your body rise. You measure it, you make it 1. Now, 0 to 2 is your waist to hip measurement, which is 2. Now, how do I arrive at my 3? My 3 is 0 to 1 is 0 to 3, which is my waist to floor or my trouser length or outside leg measurement. That is 0 to 3. So I square across. That is, I took the lines across. Now, 1 to 3 is called inside leg, while 0 to 3 is called outside leg. In case you find yourself reading other books, so you will understand what it means. How do we arrive at 4? All you need to do is to divide your answer, whichever answer you have from 1 to 3, you divide it into 2 minus 5 centimeters. That will give you 4. Then you roll it across. I hope that is very